Hello friends, welcome to ADO.NET tutorial. In the last video, we saw how to use the command builder to push database, front-end changes back to the database. We also saw that command builder object was used to perform the DML action. Now we will examine what are all the DML statements that is built by the command builder by using the SQL profiler. So SQL profiler will watch the statement that is pushed to the database. Right now, let's go ahead. So in the previous video, we saw that SQL command builder is doing the insert, update as well as delete, right? Now we will see what query the SQL command builder is issuing to the database. Let's go to the demo. So now we are at SQL Server. Let's go to Tools, SQL Profiler. So just connecting to the DB by providing the username and password. Here in this window, let's accept the default. Let's go to event selection. All these stuffs are not required. We are interested only in remote procedure call completed and SQL batch completed. Remaining stuff we can leave it. And all other stuff we can have, or we can remove this stuff also. We are interested in text data only. SPID, let's leave it. Start and end time, let's leave it. And we will click run here. Now let's run our application. If you see, this is select statement. Select job ID, job description, minimum value, maximum value from jobs. Right, that's the query we gave to our adapter, and you can see that query is fired here in the profiler. Right, you can see that here. Now we will add the row as we did previously. Right, now I am going to give update to DB, and you can see new entry get added here in the SQL Server. Let's minimize this. Application name is .NET SQL Client Data Provider, right? So that's the application name that is pushing these statements. And here you can see the insert statement supplied by the .NET provider. Insert into jobs. So this is how the command builder is forming the query. Job description, minimum value and maximum value. Job ID is identity column. So you can see that that's not pushed here, right? Then values, parameter 1, parameter 2, parameter 3. And you can see parameter 1 is editor new, parameter 2 is 30, and parameter 3 is 80. That will get substituted here, right? Editor name 30, P2 is 30, right? P3 80. That means we supplied all these values. So SQL Builder is supplying the insert query, and you can see how it is forming the query. So since this is already executed, let's clear it. Since that's already executed, in the back end we will be having this new row that we saw as part of our previous video. Now we will make a change, editor new as designer 2, and let's have a minimum experience level is 25, update to DB. Okay, let me restart it. I made a mistake. So here I'm doing designer 1. From 30 we will give 35 maybe, and I am out of that row, and we will go to SQL Profiler and click update to DB, and if you see, it formed an update statement. And if you look at update statement, update job, set job description equal to P1, min val equal to P2. That's the 2 column we modified, so it picked those correctly. Where here, where condition, if you look, we know that the job ID is unique, but where condition is not using the ID, right? It is using all the column, where job ID equal to P3 and job description equal to P4 and min val equal to P5 and max val equal to P6, right? What we are changing here is job description. Let's take that as an example. Job description equal to P1, that is part of the set, and in the where condition job description equal to P4. So let's look at P1 here. P1 is designer, that's the new value, right? P4 is editor new, that's the old value. From editor new we changed the job description as designer, right? And you can see how it is forming the update statement, I mean the SQL command builder. So that's how it forms the update statement. Here it is not, if we use only job ID, that is enough, but the command builder is using all the values, old values, to perform the update. Now let's go ahead and delete this row, hitting the delete button in the keyboard. Now we will issue the update to DB, and you can see RPC completed here, and delete from jobs, where it's again issuing all 4 column values, right, and deleting it. P1 equal to 16, P2 equal to designer, P3 equal to 35, and P4 equal to 80. So that's how we are forming the where condition, where job ID equal to 16 and job description equal to designer and min level 1 equal to P3 35 and max level equal to P4 80, right? So delete statement is issued using the SQL command builder. So to the SQL command builder we just gave the select statement, and just now you saw using the SQL profiler how the command builder is generating the insert, update, and delete from the adapter which knows the select statement. Alright, that's all here in this video. Thank you for watching. Bye.